So hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment for Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things, week second, assignment second. So the first question is, which type of waste in the lean production system is defined as non-value added movement of people? So these are the option: transportation, motion, waiting, defects. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says seven type of waste: motion, non-value added movement of people. So the answer for our first question is B, motion. And now let's go to our question number 2. Which type of business model value proposition exists when a bunch of goods services are of higher value compared to the individual value of that product? So these are the option: efficiency centric, novelty centric, lock in centric, complementary. So the answer of our second question is D, complementary. And now let's go to our question number 3. In the context of lean manufacturing wastes, what cause processing waste? So these are the option: producing products before demand, use of inappropriate tools for processing, excess inventory on the factory floor, non-value added movement of personnel. So the answer of our third question is B, use of inappropriate tools for processing. And now let's go to our question number 4. Which resource is primarily utilized to achieve optimization in smart and connected products? So these are the option: optimization algorithms, custom software, external data sources, sensors only. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says monitor, monitor, resource, sensors, external data sources. So the answer of our fourth question is C, external data sources. And now let's go to our question number 5. Which specific new material mentioned in the context of physical megatrends is described as being stronger than steel but thinner than a human hair? So these are the options: carbon fiber, graphene, aerogel, titanium alloy. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says new material, lighter, stronger, recyclable and adaptive, graphene. So the answer of our fifth question is B, graphene. And now let's go to our question number 6. What are the three types of work to be noticed when analyzing value streams? So these are the option: design, production and delivery, value added, incidental and pure waste, manual, automated and hybrid, planning, execution and monitoring. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says value streams in lean, three type of works to be noticed: value added, incidental, pure waste. So the answer of our sixth question is B, value added, incidental and pure waste. And now let's go to our question number 7. What are the three categories of megatrends driving the fourth industrial revolution? So these are the option: economic, social, political, physical, digital, biological, hardware, software, network, local, national, global. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says megatrends. So megatrends: physical, digital, biological. So the answer of our seventh question is B, physical, digital, biological. And now let's go to our question number 8. Which material except graphene is cited as an example of new materials under physical megatrends? So these are the option: silicon, thermoset, plastic, copper, aluminium. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says new material, lighter, stronger, recyclable and adaptive, thermoset, plastics. So the answer of our eighth question is B, thermoset, plastics. And now let's go to our question number 9. How do you define sustainability in the context of a manufacturing industry? So these are the options: to increase profit margins annually, to continue at a fixed rate, to eliminate all waste products, to automate all processes. And now let's check the explanation. So explanation says sustainability means to continue at a fixed rate. So the answer of our ninth question is B, to continue at a fixed rate. And now let's go to our question number 10. In the context of government regulations, what does the acronym EPA stands for? So these are the option: Economic Policy Agency, Environmental Protection Agencies, Energy Production Association, Employment Protection Act. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says government regulation, environmental protection agencies. So the answer of our 10th question is B, environmental protection agencies. And now let's go to our question number 11. Which of the following is a characteristics of an economic depression? So these are the option. Duration is less than a year, high employment rates, exponential unemployment increase, increase in available credit. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says economic crisis, recession and depression. Depression, extremity of recession observed by exponential unemployment increase. So the answer of our 11th question is C, exponential unemployment increase. And now let's go to our question number 12. Which layer in the architecture of a smart and connected product is responsible for collecting and acquiring data? So these are the option: digital layer, connectivity layer, physical layer, application layer. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says physical layer, responsible for collecting and acquiring data from object or environment. So the answer of our 12th question is C, physical layer. And now let's go to our question number 13. Which of the following is a log-in centric value creation model? So these are the options: focusing on novelty, improving transaction efficiency, preventing customer migration, offering complementary products. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says log-in centric business model prevents the customer migration. So the answer of our 13th question is C, preventing customer migration. And now let's go to our question number 14. Which characteristics of smart factories involve self-configuration? So these are the options: proactivity, transparency, agility, connection. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says agility, self-configuration. So the answer of our 14th question is C, agility. And now let's go to our question number 15. In the automation pyramid of a smart factory, which level is at the very top? So these are the options: device level, control level, manufacturing execution system level, ERP level. So now let's check the explanation. So explanation says automation pyramid of a smart factory. So you can see device level, communication layer, control level, communication layer, manufacturing execution system level, communication layer, and ERP level. So the answer of our 15th question is D, ERP level. Now submit your answer. So friends, if you want more assignment answer in future, so you have to do one thing: you have to subscribe our channel. So thank you friends for watching our video.